Okay, so today
We'll see how it goes.
I'm actually leaving Abu Dhabi tonight, and just last minute I messaged this guy and he offers a cultural tour of the city. Oh, he's in the lobby. Alright, just met Ahmed.
Hey, welcome.
Let's do this. Thank you so much for a little tour of Abu
Most
Dhabi.
welcome. You keep the best for the last time. 45.5.
I don't think I've ever been in 45 degrees. First stop is... It's like a really good burger.
Well, maybe you'll have another stop if you like the camel.
Before they kill the camel, they don't give them water for 40 days. Meat will be softer.
I'm not sure. I have been living my life in Abu Dhabi. It's normal in Abu Dhabi, not like other places.
Yeah.
This is Kalto. This is classic.
Wait, are the Beatles famous here?
Everybody knows.
Yeah, okay. Just checking. When we pull up to restaurants in Abu Dhabi, you can just beep your horn.
Yeah. Beep and they will come. This is a service. It started and then all the restaurants had to do it because you cannot be behind.
Keep up with the competition. Oh wow. I don't think we have London milk cake in London.
Should we try it?
Yeah. A bowl of milk. This isn't so like traditional, but I just saw London and wanted to try it.
But it's trendy now. What do you think?
Can take
Should
it.
I open my own channel?
Right, now into another little cafe. It's like a bread crepe. So could you have this with like jam?
Yeah, Nutella. I'm good with eating, not with cooking.
So they're mixing the balls with date syrup. And here are the incredible chefs. That's good. They're really crunchy on the outside and really soft on the inside. So I asked for the recipe and it's top secret, I'm told. Is Abu Dhabi crazy expensive?
I don't think so. I keep hearing that. So what we ordered from inside costs $2.
Imagine how much the city's changed in just 50 years.
Sometimes we just get used to it. Today it's a desert. After a few years, it's a busy district. That's normal. See that one, the car? That's Sheikh Zayed, the founder of the Emirates.
So now we've had some snacks and now we're having the proper lunch.
You need to drink it by right hand. It's often.
I'm being offensive. Chicken and some rice here. Is this something you'd have like most days?
Every Friday we do have seafood.
Let's dig in. Okay, so we actually eat by hand.
We share the same plate.
Is this mine and that's yours?
Just because there are different dishes that we have two plates. He asked me this question, by the way. Do you want just one plate or two? I told him bring two. So we'll see how it goes. You want to eat by hand?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
By your right hand.
Vlog with my left hand, eat with my right hand. I love eating with my hands. It's good food.
Hot sauce, tomato sauce. This is yogurt.
I'm just seeing what British foods are known out here. Have you ever had a British roast?
No.
Like roast potatoes, Yorkshire pudding? No. You have to come, I need to show you. Fish and chips.
Yeah, London milk cake.
London milk cake. Of course, the most famous of them all. A full English breakfast.
Yes,
Oh, really?
I guess so, yeah.
Tea,
Early breakfast.
scrambled eggs, baked beans, not bacon. What other British dishes are there? Bangers and mash?
What's that?
Bangers and mash? Delicious. Ask me about Emirati dish.
You had Machbous.
Like this?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. Oh, yeah. I know Machbous very well.
Legemat.
Did we have it today?
Yeah.
The bread?
No.
Oh, what?
The other one.
The dough balls?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I've had that. So this song is #1 right now.
The singer, Nihat Hamad. You can
I like it. I
Google
like
it.
I'm waiting for the drop. We couldn't eat all that food, so we have a little bag here.
If you have any food left over, just take it with you.
Is this part of Emirati culture as well, David?
Yeah, give it to someone who will appreciate it.
Let's see if we can find someone to give this to. I'm gonna put a link in the bio in case you guys are in Abu Dhabi and want to have a similar experience.